Runner's Dispatch. Gates open, they're up and racing. Tiger Song, Eternal Flame. In between runners moving up is EJ's Magic. Mink City and Satter's Royal is in behind them. Past the last 800, EJ's Magic in command. This time by about a length and a half. Eternal Flame is in second. Tiger Song is down in third. Mink City and Satter's Royal past the last 600 and now heading to the last 450. EJ's Magic by about a length. Moving up by the rail is Eternal Flame, Tiger Song, Satter's Royal and Mink City as they turn for home. EJ's Magic, Eternal Flame throwing a challenge by the rail. Two runners now parting it out for the lead. EJ's Magic, Eternal Flame is by the rail. These two are parting it out for the lead towards the last 100. We have EJ's Magic, Eternal Flame is by the rail. Eternal Flame, EJ's Magic, Eternal Flame, and finally EJ's Magic over Eternal Flame, Satter's Royal, Mink City, and Tiger Song.